Hello everyone, Mr. McCarthy here. Today is Monday, April 20th, and before I share this week's activities, I want to share with you what my family is doing at home to be active. When the weather is nice outside, we've been going on bike rides, playing basketball, and playing tag. And when the weather has not been cooperating, inside we've been playing board games such as Battleship, Stratego, card games, and coloring. So this week's activities, there are 4 choices. Number 1, you can continue with the April fitness activity calendar, or activity number 2 is going to be Flip It Fitness. Now you can use a coin, you could use a pillow, or something in your home that you can flip. So there are 10 flips, and I'm going to read the directions on the bottom. It says go through and do the 10 flips again. Before you flip your coin, guess if it will be heads or tails. If you guess correctly, you do not need to do the exercise. If you guess incorrectly, complete the exercise before moving on to the next flip. So if you can, find somebody to play against. That's called Flip It Fitness. Activity number 3, it's called This or That. This can be done by yourself or with another person. Make sure that you have personal space. There will be 2 things in each category. Choose one and do the exercise attached to it. This should be a fun activity and learn about yourself or another person. Smile at things you have in common and appreciate the differences. So what you would do is you would choose this or that. Do you like the apple or the banana? Summer or winter? Reading or math? Flying power or the power to disappear? And whenever one you choose, perform that activity. That is called this or that. And your final activity number 4 is called the Rainbow Scavenger Hunt. So this would be done inside, or if you're able to go outside, it says find a flower in these colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Find a vehicle in this color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Find a door or mailbox in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then find something of your choice in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Again, continue to post your responses either by word, pictures, or videos. Have a great week.